You think you're smart, but can you solve a puzzle like a crow or outwit a predator like an octopus? These animals are often overlooked when we think of intelligence, but they're actually some of the smartest creatures on the planet. Crows, for example, are known for their problem-solving abilities. They can use tools to get food, and they even have a kind of crow social network where they share information with each other. They've been observed using sticks to dig up grubs and rocks to crack open nuts. It's like they have their own little crow toolbox. But what's really impressive is their ability to solve complex puzzles, like figuring out how to get a piece of food that's stuck in a hard-to-reach place. They've been known to use multiple tools, like a stick and a rock, to solve a single problem. It's like they're little engineers. And it's not just crows. Other animals like chimpanzees and dolphins have also shown impressive problem-solving skills. Chimpanzees, for example, have been observed using leaves as sponges to soak up water, and then squeezing the water out to drink it. It's like they have their own little water bottles. Octopuses, on the other hand, are masters of disguise and deception. They can change the color and texture of their skin to blend in with their surroundings, making them nearly invisible. They've even been known to play tricks on their predators, like releasing a cloud of ink to confuse them, and then making a quick escape. It's like they have their own built-in special effects department. And it's not just about hiding from predators. Octopuses have also been observed using tools, like collecting and using shells to build shelters. But how do these animals develop their problem-solving skills? Is it just instinct, or is there something more going on? Well, it turns out that many of these animals have large brains relative to their body size, which means they have a lot of processing power to devote to problem-solving. Crows, for example, have brains that are similar in structure to human brains, with areas dedicated to different types of thinking, like problem-solving and memory. And it's not just about the size of the brain, but also the complexity of the neural connections. It's like a little computer in their heads. So, what can we learn from these animal problem solvers? Can we apply their strategies to our own lives? Well, for one thing, we can learn about the importance of creativity and flexibility. Many of these animals are able to come up with novel solutions to problems because they're not limited by conventional thinking. They're able to think outside the box, or in the case of the crow, outside the puzzle. And we can also learn about the importance of observation and experimentation. Many of these animals are able to learn by watching others and by trying out new things. It's like they're little scientists. As we delve deeper into the world of animal intelligence, we start to realize that there's so much more to it than just being smart. It's about adaptability, creativity, and social interaction. From the complex social structures of insects to the clever hunting tactics of predators, each species has evolved its own unique set of problem-solving strategies. And by studying these strategies, we can gain a deeper understanding of the natural world, and maybe even pick up a few tips for our own problem-solving endeavors. The fascinating world of animal intelligence is full of surprises, and as we explore it further, we begin to uncover the intricate web of relationships between different species and the remarkable ways in which they interact with their environments. One of the most impressive examples of animal intelligence can be seen in the behavior of primates, particularly chimpanzees and bonobos. These animals have been observed using tools, solving complex problems, and even learning human sign language. In fact, studies have shown that chimpanzees are capable of learning and using over 1,000 different signs to communicate with humans, and they have even been known to teach each other new signs. This level of cognitive ability is remarkable, and it has led some scientists to suggest that primates may be more intelligent than we previously thought. But primates aren't the only animals that are capable of impressive problem-solving feats. Crows, for example, are notorious for their intelligence and have been observed using tools to obtain food and solve complex puzzles. In one famous study, a crow was presented with a puzzle that required it to use a series of sticks to retrieve a piece of food from a tube. The crow was able to solve the puzzle by using the sticks to retrieve the food, and it even figured out how to use a rock to weigh down a stick and retrieve the food more efficiently. This level of problem-solving ability is impressive, and it has led some scientists to suggest that crows may be one of the most intelligent bird species. Another example of animal intelligence can be seen in the behavior of dolphins. These marine mammals have been observed using complex vocalizations to communicate with each other, and they have even been known to teach each other new behaviors. In fact, studies have shown that dolphins are capable of recognizing themselves in mirrors, a cognitive ability that is shared by only a few other species, including humans and primates. This level of self-awareness is remarkable, and it has led some scientists to suggest that dolphins may be more intelligent than we previously thought. As we continue to explore the fascinating world of animal intelligence, we begin to realize that problem-solving abilities are not unique to humans. Many species have evolved complex cognitive abilities that allow them to adapt to their environments and overcome challenges. From the clever use of tools by primates and crows to the complex vocalizations of dolphins, it's clear that animal intelligence is a diverse and fascinating field of study. And as we learn more about the problem-solving abilities of different species, we may even discover new insights into the evolution of intelligence itself. By studying the ways in which animals interact with their environments, we can gain a deeper understanding of the intricate web of relationships that exist in the natural world. The study of animal intelligence also has important implications for our understanding of human intelligence. By comparing the problem-solving abilities of different species, we can gain a better understanding of how our own cognitive abilities evolve. For example, the study of primates has provided valuable insights into the evolution of human language and social behavior. Similarly, the study of dolphins has provided insights into the evolution of self-awareness and complex vocalizations. As we continue to explore the fascinating world of animal intelligence, we may even discover new ways to improve our own problem-solving abilities. The complexity of animal intelligence is also evident in the way that different species interact with each other. For example, some species have evolved complex social behaviors that allow them to work together to achieve common goals. Others have evolved clever strategies for competing with each other for resources. By studying these interactions, we can gain a deeper understanding of the evolution of intelligence and the ways in which different species adapt to their environments. And as we learn more about the intricate web of relationships that exist in the natural world, we may even discover new insights into the evolution of human society. The more we learn about animal intelligence, the more we realize that the natural world is full of surprises. From the clever use of tools by primates to the complex vocalizations of dolphins, it's clear that animal intelligence is a diverse and fascinating field of study. And as we continue to explore this field, we may even discover new ways to improve our own problem-solving abilities and to better understand the intricate web of relationships that exist in the natural world. One of the most impressive examples of animal intelligence can be seen in the behavior of crows, which are notoriously clever birds. These birds have been observed using sticks to retrieve food from hard-to-reach places, and even solving complex puzzles to get to a reward. But what's really interesting about crows is that they don't just use tools, they also make them, which is a level of cognitive ability that's rare in the animal kingdom. They'll take a piece of wire, for example, and bend it into a hook, which they can then use to pull up a piece of food that's just out of reach. This level of problem-solving ability is often compared to that of primates, and it's a testament to the incredible flexibility and adaptability of the crow's brain. But crows aren't the only birds that are capable of complex problem-solving. Many other species of birds, such as parrots and ravens, have also been observed exhibiting intelligent behavior. In fact, some studies have shown that parrots are able to learn and mimic human language, and even understand the context in which words are being used. This is a level of cognitive ability that's similar to that of primates, and it's a reminder that intelligence is not just limited to mammals. And it's not just birds that are capable of complex behavior. Many species of fish, such as the famous archerfish, have also been observed using tools to solve problems. The archerfish, for example, will shoot a stream of water at an insect that's perched above the water's surface, knocking it into the water, where it can then be eaten. This kind of behavior is often referred to as innovative problem solving, and it's a key component of animal intelligence. It's the ability to come up with creative solutions to complex problems, and it's a skill that's essential for survival in many different environments. And it's not just individual animals that are capable of innovative problem solving. Many species of animals are also able to work together to solve complex problems. This is often referred to as collective intelligence, and it's a level of cognitive ability that's unique to social animals. Collective intelligence is the ability of a group of animals to work together to achieve a common goal, and it's a key component of the social behavior of many species of animals, from insects to primates. The study of collective intelligence is a fascinating field, and it's one that has many implications for our understanding of animal behavior. By studying how different species of animals work together to solve problems, we can gain a deeper understanding of the complex social dynamics that exist in many different ecosystems. And we can also learn more about the evolution of intelligence and how different species have developed unique cognitive abilities to adapt to their environments. For example, some species of ants are able to work together to build complex underground colonies, with different castes performing different roles, and this level of social organization is a key component of their success. Similarly, some species of birds are able to work together to hunt and kill prey, using complex communication and coordination to achieve their goal. These are just a few examples of the many fascinating ways in which animals are able to work together to solve problems, and they highlight the incredible diversity and complexity of animal intelligence. One of the most impressive examples of animal problem solving is the ability of some species to use tools. Chimpanzees, for example, are known to use sticks to extract termites from their nests and rocks to crack open nuts. But what's even more remarkable is that they're also able to adapt these tools to different situations and even pass on their knowledge to other members of their group. This level of cognitive ability is truly remarkable, and it's a testament to the incredible flexibility and creativity of the animal mind. But tool use is just the beginning. Some animals are also able to exhibit complex mathematical abilities, such as counting and basic arithmetic. For example, studies have shown that some species of birds are able to keep track of the number of seeds they've stored away, and even recall the location of each individual seed. This level of numerical cognition is impressive, and it's a key component of their ability to survive and thrive in their environments. Another area where animals have shown impressive problem-solving abilities is in the realm of social learning. Many species are able to learn from each other, and even from humans, by observing and imitating their behavior. This can be seen in the way that dolphins learn to perform tricks for rewards, or the way that elephants learn to use human-made tools. This level of social cognition is truly remarkable, and it's a key component of their ability to adapt to new situations and learn from their experiences. But what's perhaps most impressive about animal intelligence is its diversity. From the complex social hierarchies of insects to the clever problem-solving abilities of primates, each species has evolved its own unique set of cognitive abilities. And by studying these abilities, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate and complex web of life that surrounds us. By exploring the fascinating world of animal intelligence, we can learn more about the evolution of cognition, and even gain insights into our own cognitive abilities. As we continue to explore the fascinating world of animal intelligence, we're constantly reminded of the incredible diversity and complexity of life on Earth. From the simplest organisms to the most complex ecosystems, each species has evolved its own unique set of problem-solving abilities, and it's up to us to learn from them. So, if you're as fascinated by animal intelligence as we are, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be exploring the latest research on animal cognition and what it can tell us about the future of intelligence on our planet.